Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from October's Boxycharm. This month's theme is Spellbound, which is so fitting for Halloween. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Tarte Wing of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream, Tresluce Beauty Like an Artista Brush Set, Beaute Falling For You Eyeshadow Palette, Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner, and the Camara Aunique Beauty Merry Lash. First, let's apply the Tarte Eye Cream. This is the most expensive product in the box and is supposed to reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. It also helps firm and fight signs of aging with HydroFlex technology and is supposed to create a crease-resistant base. I'm interested in seeing if it actually helps with creasing underneath the eyes. I went ahead and applied my face makeup off camera, and now I'm applying the Beaute Falling For You palette using the Tresluce Beauty Like an Artista brush set. Tresluce is the new beauty brand by Becky G, and this particular brush set has 4 vegan eye brushes. These are very soft, and I can tell you right away that I'm immediately impressed. Most eye blending brushes are quite large for my small hooded eyes, but these look perfect. Now let's take a look at the Beaute eyeshadow palette. This is the Falling For You palette, and it's absolutely gorgeous. There are 12 shades. Let's swatch a few. These are buttery smooth, and the color story is totally my style. First, I'm dipping into the shade called Chestnut with the B101 brush from the Tresluce brush set. I'm applying this to the crease. It's really pigmented. Next, I'm dipping the B100 brush into the shade called Pinecone. I'm using this to blend out what we just applied. It's blending really well. Now I'm using the B121 brush to apply those to the bottom lash line. After that, I'm picking up the shade called Spice with the B102 brush. I'm applying this to the center of the lid. Next, I'm using the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. This is a jet black liquid liner that also acts as a glue for lashes. I'm applying it right against my lash line. Finally, I'm applying the Camara Aunique Merry Lash. These are cruelty-free and faux mink, but I can't believe how expensive they are. They're $25 and look very similar to a pair of Ardell lashes. Here's the finished look using products from October's Boxycharm. I thought it was fitting to do a witchy look since this month's theme is Spellbound. Let me know if you're getting into the Halloween spirit with this month's box in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.